This video provides an overview on how to add data to the Chef Vivant's Market App spreadsheet. This spreadsheet contains 3 subsheets, including an instructions subsheet, the vendor category subsheet, and the market vendors subsheet. The instructions subsheet outlines a 2-step process on how to add the required market category data to the vendor category subsheet, and subsequently adding the required market vendor information to the market vendor subsheet. In addition, on the instructions subsheet, here we have highlighted the market vendor information instructions that outline the data limits for the required data, as well as the data limits for the optional data. Please review to make sure your market data is compliant. Next, let's move to the vendor categories subsheet and customize the vendor categories for your market. This subsheet provides a customizable list of 10 vendor categories for your market. The vendor categories provided are examples. You can create your own custom vendor categories for each individual market by just typing over the existing vendor categories. Most markets have 4 to 6 individual vendor categories. You can have more or less depending on what you want. Now let's move to the market vendor subsheet. The information highlighted in yellow is required for each market vendor, including the vendor name, the product and vendor description, and show vendor data. Also required are market vendor categories. Each vendor can have up to 2 categories for a given market. Most vendors only have 1 category for a given market. Optional vendor data is outlined in red. Optional vendor information includes the vendor image, website, email, and phone number, and a second market category for individual vendors. This data can be added as required by the market manager. Now let's show the results of this work. Shown here is a farmer's market homepage with various vendor categories. Next shown are the cuisine market category vendors. Finally shown is the market vendor information pop-up showing the added vendor information for LA Gourmet. So get started today mobilizing your market using Chef Vivant's cookbook apps. This is the first step in engaging your customers and providing anywhere, anytime access to your farmer's market and increasing product sales.